My name is Kitione Tupa, originally from Fiji, residing here in Sacramento, California. This test match is something that a lot of Fijians here have been looking forward to. Um, Personally, for me, I've been planning it for a few months, traveling down here to watch this test match between our nation and New Zealand. So it means a lot. A lot of people travel from afar. As for me, I drove down with my colleague from Sacramento for around about 8 hours. We left it around early morning. Now we're here in San Diego. So yeah, this match really means a lot to us Fijians here. Looking forward to meet every players, and we're so fortunate to meet them here back in San Diego. Bringing a lot of Fijians here, especially in the US, is a big thing because we are all of us are like staying far apart, hours away. I know some of my colleagues, they are living on where we are staying right now, residing. They'll be here. They'll be reaching this place around 3, 4 a.m. US time. So yeah, this match really means a lot to all of us, and bringing us together as a group, as a Fijian community, it's something special, especially for back at home, everyone watching. Watching from the side, the impact of forming the Ndrua team is something that every childhood has dreamt of, especially vying for the white jersey. You know, wearing the Ndrua jersey representing Fiji is a big milestone. You know, and we're hoping to watch more matches. But from then, transitioning from that to the Fiji team, that's the pinnacle of it.